Okay, thank you everybody. Welcome once again to another stage of the tutorial Planswift. Okay, here we're going to see how we will tackle the measurement of staircase. Okay, so at this point, this is the plan. We have two drawings here. This is the staircase. Okay, this is the staircase. You climb from here. This is the landing. You turn and climb this way up. And this is the plan of the staircase. Okay, so when it comes to the staircase measurement, you just have to use a strategy with all these variable methods of measurement and other means to get it. Okay, this is the drawing I have. What do I have to do? If I try doing anything, it will ask me to scale. See, it's asking me. So let's scale now and let's see where we going. So let me look at the other end. Okay, good. It's a very classical example. You see, in the staircase, how do I scale? You see, we will use this extreme end measurement. So let me use the down one first. And let's see where we go. Use this one. Okay, that's 5 meters, right? Okay, so let's scale. So it's in meters. 5 meters. 5 meters. Let's go. Okay, we're going to the checking. Make sure it is exact. We pick from here to the other end as we choose to this end. Is done. You check here. Remember the scaling trick there. So we do here is 1, 2, 3, so 3.6. So we check scale 3.6. Okay, here we go. Okay, pick rightly on the spot. Okay, there. So we are done with the scale. Check this signs. Okay, we are done with the scaling. Okay, good. Okay, so we are ready to do the, at this point, what I want us to do is that I want us to hide this dimension. You get it? They are too large and I wouldn't need it. I only use them to scale the drawing. I don't need them anymore. So I want to put them off. So check right here. There's a sign here, measurement sign here. So you click on it. Okay, it's gone. If you need it back, can click it. So good, ready to go. Okay, let's go back to the plan of the plan view of the staircase to explain something. So here is it. So what I want to do is I want to measure from this corner, right from this corner to this end, this way, this side. Okay, and then I'll come and tackle this corner to this corner to this end to this end in alignment with this end. So realize that it will come a little some concrete here separately. You will take it. That one, how to take it, just easy. So we will do in 3 groups. This long stretch, and this very part of the land, because let's go by this way. Because of this slope, if you end here, you turn this way. I hope you properly understand. Don't realize that here will be left. Okay, so let's go to the section. Then we are good to go. Okay, so this end I want to use, let me properly zoom. Okay, and shift this side here. You can see clearer. Good. Okay, these are beams. I won't add them, and we only need the staircase. Okay, so here I want to use this unit of measurement, area, and you'll see somebody can use other methods, but it depends how you understand the use of the tools to get the same answer. Okay, so let's go to area and let's name it staircase 1. Okay, so click OK. Good. So let's get it. I'm choosing where my stair or staircase is starting. So if you see it clearly, I hope you get it from this end to this end to this end. Yeah, you keep selecting that way. It's a whole lot of work, but I bet you this is the easiest ways to take off with a step in a very smart way. Okay, so keep selecting, you get to the very top soon. We are going, keep selecting, we're moving up this way. So I hope you are okay. The staircase is a little bit up and down, but it's just a matter of understanding the concept here. You know, in measurement, things are not fixed. So the resultant or what we are looking for is the whole matter here. So it's not one step, but there are standard steps. Okay, so keep selecting, then we get to the very end. So I explain we are dividing the stair into two, so we won't go up, so we come this way. Okay, this way. And I'm taking only the stair area, so I hope you understand here. The beam will be left alone. And since this is iron, so I can right click anywhere. Stop. Good. Look at a good selection of my stair. I hope you understand here. Okay, so I can escape it. Okay, so this, as I select it, you get it. So as I select, you now have it appearing here. Okay, so I can continue the same thing, right? Okay, it's in the same dimension. I pause here, go and do here separately. I hope you get me. It's good enough. I think it should be okay. So we selected it, so let's continue it. At this stage, click on this one. Okay, remember, check this value. Okay, you see the difference. I hope you understand why I'm starting from this end. Okay, let me start from this end to make it easier. Starting from this end. Okay, I hope you should understand. It is the other side, the back of this dimension, so you should get it. Only the step that I'm working on. So my people, I hope you understand me from this end. Okay, we on. Okay, there we go. We keep going till we get to our very end of the job. Okay, yeah, there it is. It's a whole lot of work to do here. Okay, you on it, keep selecting to get to the other side. Okay, okay, you can separate. What I'm doing, I'm adding up to what we just did. You can separate if you don't understand. You can separate it for easy work. Okay, from here, then we come to the back side of to this very end, the same point again. Okay, you let me choose up, but it should be the same point. This is the back of that measurement. Okay, so I right click, stop. Look at this value, it has changed from 0.8 to 1.4. Okay, so now let's go back to the plan. Now there's a dimension here. You see, from it telling us from this point to this point is 1.3. The same thing here. So let's go to an Excel file to do a simple calculation. You see how the job goes. Don't mind this. I open a new one. Okay, go back to our program. Okay, we had in total area 1.4. okay, but the square, the stair, let me type it here, staircase okay, should be in cubic concrete. The concrete will be in cubic. Let me format my cell. Let me go ahead. Okay, it is very important every keywords you get conversant with Excel, because that is your key software you're going to use every time. Okay, oh, where is my hand? Good. I zoom it for you to see clearly. So the staircase needs to be, it's a concrete that need to be in cubic meter. Okay, so but we had area, you get it. So let me go back to the software once again and explain. I explained that the drawing is giving us dimension that from this end to this end is 1.3, the same thing here. So what we did first, that we measured here the area, the side of it, and also the side of it to this end to this end. So the long stretch of it, you multiply, then we get cubic. I hope that is very clear. So what value do we have? I have 14, 1.4. Okay, so let me put in proper this thing. 1.4 meter square. I hope you understand. I'm typing that in so that you understand that it is a meter square. I need not to put it there, but I want you to understand this concept. This, but we needed this. Okay, so now how do you go? They are giving us 1.3 for how wide it goes. So 1.3 meters. Let me type in so that you get it. So at this end, blah blah blah. Okay, good. At this end, if I'm to multiply this by this, I should have it in this cubic meter. I hope you get it. Get me? Okay, should be in cubic meter. So I am safe. So this time just do equal to 1.4 times 1.3. Good. What we have done already is 1.82 cubic meter or meter cube. I hope you I hope you are okay. It's just simple. So now we are coming to do this simple end. Okay, at this section area we couldn't see that. Okay, so we can see it on this side. Okay, let me zoom it clearer. Okay, so this is the very area. So we're going to do an area also. We know the thickness. Let's check from here. The thickness should be 150. Well, it's giving us 160. Okay, from this end to this end is 160. You see, that's why I need to look at the drawing. Okay, so let me zoom. Oh, sorry. Okay. So I will use the same area tool again. Good. This tool requires. Okay, good example. You see, what happened is that it's asking us to scale this drawing. When you were scaling, we scale only this one. You see, that's why when you're scaling, when it asks, let me go here, you understand. Let's try scaling. Okay, good. So this button, if you had chosen this apply scale to all, it would have done it easy for us. So we didn't take it. That's why it's asking us again. So let's remember always to do that. So let's see the long ends measurement and use it here. Okay, we don't have any full end measurement stated here, but we can use the short ones. So let's use this end from here to here, 1.55 and also 1.3. you see, because that is what we have available for tutorial. So let's go to scale. So we have 1.55k. Good. For the horizontal, so we choose from here, okay, to this end for horizontal. Okay, good. Then we go and do the vertical. So we said 1.3 we are choosing. Okay, just click OK. So you can zoom in. Choose that. Okay. Okay. Good. We are done. You can see from here the sign here. So because see it's covering our drawings, we want to put it off. Okay. So we will put it off. Okay. Just click here. It's gone. So let's zoom proper so that you can understand the concept very well. Okay. So I explained I want to use the area button. Okay. Let's click. So here we are. So let's name it stair slab. Okay, staircase slab, and any name you prefer that will be convenient with you. So let's go. Okay, so these are the corners starting from here from to this here. You see these are the area. So if there were to be a straight line there, but I see the cursor can guide me from here to here. See how it is? So I know it's touching this line, so it is correct. I hope you get me there. Good. The other end too, I use the cursor to guide me. Okay, from this end. Okay, I hope you get me there. Then it's connected, so I can exit it. Good. So my people, this area selected here is what I was explaining, that this area was not part of what we did from here to here and here. So this one is exempted. So through here is not part. So that's why we need to do here and add it. And it's giving us an area of 0.32 meters square. So the thickness we know from this section is 160. That's 0.16. So let's go to our Excel. Okay. Go back. We had, what did we, let's click on it to come. Good. 0.3. Okay. So let's say stair slab, staircase slab. Okay. Good. So we have 0.3. Copy that, come and put it here for explanation. You don't need to bring it, but for easy referencing, paste it here, format it. Okay, there we go. Okay, copy the same format, come and put it here. There we go. Okay, hope you understand from this end. Okay, so how deep it goes is telling us 0.16. okay, meters. So meters, so giving us a resultant of this. So that will be equal to 0.3 times 0.16. good. So now our total concrete value, let me give it a color here so that can get it right later. Okay, so it will be equal to this plus this. Boom. This is our concrete in the, what do you call, staircase. Simple to measure, cool one. I hope this is clear now. Thank you very much.